Artie Lang reported from the 33rd floor of Vincenzo's gold crypto investing $6.69 studio, noting that Bitcoin had crashed 4.69% below $70,000. XRP faced repeated bombardment from an army of sellers, but maintained stability throughout the day, aided by superior defense. Additionally, Lange urged viewers to subscribe, share, and become members of a community dedicated to combating suppression and spreading truth and integrity. Jackie the Joke Man emphasized the importance of hitting the like and subscribe buttons, warning that failure to do so would allow criminal gangsters to prevail. In response to Lange and Martling's urgent calls to action, viewers flooded the channel with likes, subscribes, and shares, banding together to support the fight for truth and integrity. The community's collective efforts created a powerful wave of positivity and awareness, inspiring others to join the movement for justice and transparency in the world of cryptocurrency.
Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Good 9th day of April 2024. If we can believe this already, steadily marching our way through the second month of springtime on a cryptocurrency correction dump day on a gorgeous, glowing, crystal clear early spring blue skies with some high cirrus clouds at about 33,333 feet J, with a temperature of 61 degrees in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area in central Illinois. J, comment down below, bell notification, subscribe and share to get that truth and information you need, come to expect and deserve from the #1 XRP and cryptocurrency influencer and insider on social media and exclusively here on YouTube. And because of you, old Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing has smashed through the suppression, has smashed through the manipulation, and has smashed through the overversion of our channel that has kept the truth and integrity that you need to fleece, heist, and shiest those criminal gangsters and market manipulators. Because of you, the audience as in Michael 4514, you have 180 ounces of silver, and we hearted that, and we continue to hope you comment down below to help smash us through and break that suppression into the YouTube algorithm. Janny Z NOVAK 2408, daily dose of bullshit, but that is a daily dose of pushing us through the algorithm. XRP Purple, we appreciate you with a like. Where do you buy gold and silver bullion stocks? Kylie KUPIEC 4729. You got to go to any traditional brokerage house. Robinhood has it. Charles Schwab has it. Any traditional brokerage house you use to buy stocks, like Apple, you can buy the gold and silver bullion mining stocks that I own and talk about. Derek G873, an original OG, we appreciate you. And because of the comments like you, 60-second spot, and the rest of you make XRP great again. I like both of those names. That's funny. And Digger's Gold Shovel 1548. The people, the audience, the members, you, with a like, a comment, and a share, and one Jabroni Killer membership at a time, $2.99 a month. I dare you to find a better, cheaper value on YouTube to support a channel with the truth and education that you're going to get out of it. And because of the people and my followers like you should be looking at yourself in the face right now, just like we're looking at the XLM price. You are the reason that we smashed that manipulation and suppression, and we are now off and running, exponentially growing, and cannot be stopped as far as the truth and information getting out in the sphere of the social media website on YouTube, because we have broken it. And I need you to keep pounding and smashing that comment, that like button, that bell notification, and sharing it to all your friends and family on social media. You have no idea how powerful you are in changing the truth and suppressing the misinformation and the criminal gangster lies and manipulation, and spreading and promoting the truth. And by you helping me, we continue to make the truth get heard and the misinformation and manipulation to get suppressed, right? And I thank you. And just as we have that triple threat of rejection, if we come back up here, to the 15-cent level in the XLM price. Up here you can see you had the mountain double top and then the crash, came back down to underneath support after the nice rally here, and this was the two-stage double top from the manipulation and then the quick flush and then the quick pump back, and this was all facilitated in an orchestrated fashion to fleece, heist, and shiest the retail trader. And then we zoom down into the forward, into the future, and you can see we have one hit of support, gets rejected, another hit at support, gets rejected, and the fear here is the next time we come back down here, we slip this and the sellers or the bears take over the market as the bulls get bullied out, and the price is going to come down to its next major underneath support level in a quick, fast, swift, painful way, which is the orange trading box, which is a la last line of defense to the shithouse that starts at 0.08, and that's something that we need to watch. In this quick synopsis, you need to stay above this 13 cents to stay short-term neutral. And then if you break above this regional peak at 14.5 cents, you can get short-term bullish. To get long-term bullish, you need to break through this 15 cents, breach this local double top, come back on a back test, and then hold that as support and kick out to the upside. And this would be how you would confirm long-term super bullish to break through the moving averages, get on top of the 15 cents, breach the old double top right here, breach the double top right here, come back down on a rejection or on a back test of now what would be new upper resistance or lower support at the 15-cent level. If we get back in here, you would come back down, and zooming out into the 4-hour time frame, you would come back down on the 15-cent level right here. After you breach the old double top, you come back down and retest this 15.7 cents from above it and bounce off it like that, and that would confirm a breakout, and you would become ultimately bullish. On the contrary, on the flip side, or on the reversal, as we would say, if you come on down to bearishness, you would come on here, breach it, retest pretty close, but you don't have to breach it, come back up, and then hit that as a rejection, and that would be a massive bearish confirmation. If you come down, swing back up, and then get rejected off of that, that is a bearish confirmation, and that's what we're going to be watching out for there. The Bitcoin price, everybody knows the Bitcoin price is coming off of its massive bull run, right? Had our consolidation, our rising channel, we got rejected, came into the moving averages, formed a little double bottom reversal, pumped up, formed the Bart Simpson spike where you have a big pump, the Bart Simpson spiky head, and then the big dump down. And I like to call that, it looks like with the consolidation after, it looks like a turtle, right? You got the turtle shell right here, and then the consolidation in the up and sideways fashion is the head, and those are often exhaustion patterns after a blow off top in a bull market, and they are bearish reversal patterns, and a rounding top is often noticed as seen here in the 4-hour and even the daily time frame as the buyers or the bulls become exhausted and the sellers or the bears take over the market, and the price is going to come down. And I think our date with destiny here in the Bitcoin price is we have to have a consolidation, we have to have a retracement, and it is very, very healthy and normal to have a retracement down of 25 to even 50% back into this rising channel for an extended period of time even. But I think we're going to initially slip the 65,000 here in the next 7 days, slip the 61,000 back in to this rising channel within the next 14 days, and then we're going to reside into here for some time, and then maybe squeeze our way below this old 58,000 upper resistance that was the mountain double top from back in 2021, 2022. It was the mean of this consolidation and then flush, and this consolidation and then flush. But this one is more similar because it was in a rising channel, and this bull market, bear market rally after the first 50% flush, after the great pump to the great dump, it was in a rising channel and then broke to the downside, right? And I think that's something we might be doing here, and I think we're going to have to watch out for that, as I think in the next few weeks we're going to end up like this, and then we could be threatening the 30,989.04. That's just a possibility. That is not what we're forecasting, but it is something we are more than certainly watching. And the XRP price is in the same thing as the old algo or the old XLM. We did have our triple top of rejection here with the sellers, the manipulation with the judge. If we zoom out, we're in the same up and sideways rising channel with our upper resistance. We had our first hit back here in December of 2022. And then we hit it again back with the manipulation and the judge that spiked it on a blow up, but quickly got reversed to fleece, heist, and shice the retail trader. Hit it again back in November, hit it again back in March, hit support back here, hit support again in January, hit support again over here in April, and tagged it several times over the next 18 months. And that's where we're still residing. And we do know our critical level is the 57 cents, the bottom part of this blue trading zone. To get bullish, you got to get above the 68 cents and then breach the triple death of rejection and keep continuing to the upside, which would be this major supply zone here, the sellers, the big seller supply zone. And that's why you're wondering why you get wicked down, wicked down. This is free technical analysis by old Vincenzo, and wick down. It's because this old consolidation after the big dump, the initial dump and pump, you had this massive consolidation range, and there's heavy overhead sellers there as people were fleeced, heisted, and shysted to an extreme degree imaginable and are looking to just break even. Like, subscribe, and share. We'll have an in-depth, groundbreaking, can't miss episode later on tonight on Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Peace and love to my beautiful